In every modern city, water supply lines, drainage systems, irrigation networks and industrial pipelines depend on PVC and CPVC pipes and fittings. But the base polymers of these piping systems are naturally heat sensitive. PVC doesn't melt. It fuses. During extrusion or injection, heat and shear soften and gel the particles into the homogeneous mass. The process window is narrow. Below the fusion point, material stays powdery and gives a poor surface finish. Above 190 degrees Celsius, dehydrochlorination starts, releasing HCl, leading to chain scission, discoloration and loss of mechanical strength. Without a tailored additive system, PVC cannot withstand heat and shear to achieve precision fusion, and it begins with a homogeneous, well-balanced compound. When the compound is prepared in-house through self-compounding, it disrupts operations, process, pricing and quality. Operations suffer due to constant adjustments and wasted man and machine hours. Process stability drops as torque, temperature, cooling and die pressure fluctuate. Pricing becomes unpredictable with vendor variation, process variability and rising energy costs. Eventually, this impacts overall product quality, leading to poor mechanical properties and higher rejection rates. Self-compounding creates variability that the process cannot control. A process defined by multiple points of variability needed a different approach, one that simplifies the complexity of additive chemistry. Silvin Super 1 Pack, tailored to each manufacturer's resin and machine setup. It stabilizes fusion, ensures accurate dosage, smoothens production, simplifies inventory and reduces defects. The result: up to 2% higher margin in PVC and up to 5% in CPVC. Super 1 Pack is built on disciplined formulation, rigorous testing and reliable sourcing. Each formulation is backed by 3 decades of expertise and validated on Brabander machines. Pricing stability comes through global commodity tracking and bulk sourcing. A 48,000 MTPA ISO certified manufacturing unit ensures uniformity at scale. NSF and ROHS certified products reinforce global compliance. SAP and Salesforce-backed systems enable full traceability, while round-the-clock technical support ensures quick resolution of production issues. Because a well-engineered additive system isn't optional, it is the chemistry that makes PVC functional.